Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Now, head coach of the Reggae Boyz, Steve McLaren, says the team will get over the line as they prepare for their final game of the World Cup qualifiers against Curaçao at the National Stadium on Tuesday. More in this report.
It is do or die for the Reggae Boyz in tomorrow's crucial match against Curaçao at the National Stadium, with victory guaranteeing the Reggae Boyz' trip to next year's World Cup in Mexico, the USA and Canada. While speaking at Monday's pre-match press conference, McLaren says there is one clear objective.
It's a win. It's a win. When you play for a draw or a win, you are a little bit in between. And I don't think we can be in between tomorrow.
And after their 2-0 defeat away to their opponents in the first encounter on October 10, Coach McLaren is looking to make amends.
Yeah, that was disappointing. We didn't start the game well, so we must start the game well tomorrow. That's a big lesson. And we had chances to win the game. When you look at the stats after the game, we had more chances on target. And we should have scored in that game. Had a goal disallowed for, I don't know what, but so we knew we were in with the chance in that game. The start was poor, so we've got to start well tomorrow.
With Curaçao only conceding 3 goals in this final phase of qualifying, it could be a tough task against them. However, striker Kaim Dixon believes the team is in the right spirit heading into the must-win match at the office.
Everyone is ready. Like, the coach make the decision whether he starts you or not. Like, you just have to be ready. That's what matters most. That's the balance in the team. Like, always be ready, even if it's 5 minutes, just ready to play.
Dixon also issued a warning for the Curaçao team.
Well, they have the saying to say that the game doesn't play before it played on the night. So let us see on Tuesday when it happens who will win. That's what matters most.
Curaçao currently top Group B on 11 points, while Jamaica are second on 10. Only a victory will guarantee a spot for Jamaica to a second World Cup appearance. The match is set to kick off at 8 p.m. Daniel McLeod reporting for TVJ Sports.